Greetings, warriors of the brush, and welcome back to Chimera Wargaming. Today, we ride with steel and fire, because I'm about to show you how to breathe life into one of the most majestic miniatures from the Cities of Sigmar, the Freeguild Cavalier Marshal. But before the first stroke of paint, let's take a moment to salute the sheer craftsmanship of this miniature. Shield hash strengths worthy of a general. A silhouette that commands the battlefield, dynamic pose, regal cloak flowing in the wind, and armor etched with the memory of 100 battles. A masterful homage to the generals of the old world, reborn through Baroque AOS aesthetics. This is not just a model. It's a bridge between eras. A dream for kitbashers and lawbenders alike. Whether you're crafting a Sigmarite hero, a cursed Mordheim lord, or a Grimdark paladin from the shadows, this marshal can lead them all. Warning sign hash minor flaws, nothing a true hobbyist can't tame. The scenic base is rich, maybe too rich for some. But with a little vision, it becomes your canvas of storytelling. Some areas are delicate, especially for gamers on the go, but hey, greatness demands care. Artist palette. The painting begins. We start with the steed, a coat of rich brown contrast to bring out muscle and motion. Then onto the armor. Red and yellow tones blaze across the model, subtly highlighted to echo light and fire. Next, we dive into the leathers, deep browns for the reins, saddles, and straps. The cloak? A noble, cold blue, evoking nobility and mystery. And now, it's time for the real alchemy, aka interactive enamel wash. Panel lining brings the details to life, filling each carved groove with depth and shadow, like the passage of time etched into steel. Then we push the shadows even deeper, layering grime and atmosphere. With white spirit, we clean away the excess, revealing contrast and texture like stone revealed beneath moss. This process, like a rite, repeats across the model, building character stroke by stroke. Once dry, we return with Mephiston red to empower the armor and shield, and cream highlights on the yellow to give it soul. We dry brush the cloak, lifting it from shadow to starlight. Leather details are highlighted, and silver dances across swords, studs, and chains. Still not enough. This marshal needs history, so we lay a streak in grime, then carefully clean it back, revealing a war-worn finish worthy of legend. Branch is painted. Contrast pigments on rock, all sealed with a matte varnish. Then the symbol of allegiance, the Hammerhal Ghyra decal. Let's talk lore for a moment. Classical building Hammerhal, the twin city of Sigmar. Forged from fire and life, Hammerhal spans two realms. Aksha, the realm of fire, blazing with fury. Ghyra, the realm of life, lush and untamed. Linked by realm gate and bound by faith, this city stands as a beacon in the dark. Ghyra's beauty is fragile. Besieged by Nurgle, Skaven, and corruption, it leans on heroes like our Marshal to stand between order and oblivion. Factions of the city. Crossed swords Freeguild Cavaliers, Steel Helms, Fusiliers. Thunderstorm Stormcast Eternals, Divine Hammer of Sigmar. Crystal Ball Colleges of Magic, weaving life and death. Herb Sylvaneth, uneasy allies in a land that breathes. Checkered flag finishing touches. We apply texture paints from AK, a spread of static grass, both full and trimmed, and scatter leaves like fallen memories. And with that, our Marshal is ready to ride into legend. Loudspeaker final words. If this painting journey inspired you, leave your mark in the comments, subscribe for more, and join me next time as we dive deeper into realms of rust, fire, and forgotten glory. Until then, for the cities, for the faith, for the brush.